Okay, y'all, I have arrived at the at-home store. And ooh, look at the beautiful Valentine's things. I see a little bit of it. There, y'all can get a little glimpse. Yeah, beautiful. Ooh, those black baskets are beautiful. Y'all, I am all their Christmas stuff in the at-home store in Kennesaw, Georgia is 75% off. Oh my goodness, I want that big old tall white tree up there. So yep, 75% off, y'all. Ooh, all the $500 Christmas trees. Okay, y'all, that Christmas tree over there is 50% off. When I say everything Christmas is 50% off, everything Christmas is 50% off. Ooh, I'm sorry, I said that earlier, 75% off. Those are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all, they have some nice, oh, even this white basket one is cute. $29. This one is $22. Oh, that is nice. What is that? Wow. What is this right here, Cora? Those are nice. So yeah, y'all, me and my daughter, we're in the store just looking around. Literally came here for some shelves, but we are looking at, ooh, those are nice, and other stuff too, guys. That's so nice, porch rules and stuff. Feel the breeze. I like all this kind of stuff. Ooh, so nice. Ooh, that is beautiful. Man, bro. Okay, guys, my daughter just found me these, and they are gonna go like in between my curtains, and I'm gonna put a really pretty plant in each one of these. I got a set of 2, and you guys look, they are 50% off, literally. The original price is $34.99. So I'm getting those for literally under 20 bucks each. Nice. And they are so beautifully perfect for what I was looking for. When I say I love when I come into a store and I find what I'm looking for, that is just like a big plus for me. And the fact that it's 50% off, even better. Oh, that. Yeah, come. Huh? Hey y'all, now we are going to look for headboards and bookshelves. That's where we're headed to next. Yeah, but you know, like I said, I moved on to a whole nother project. I haven't found anything else yet, y'all, but I will be back when I do. Okay, guys, I'm headed to the front, getting ready to go check out, and yeah, some of my stuff is in my daughter's cart. Y'all, this nice gentleman came up, and you know when you pull out like a badge or something, you think something about some police, but no, he was so nice. Oh, just know. He had to choose his military ID. Okay, y'all, that was me and my girls at home trip, and now we are headed to beautiful Walmart. It's a little shaky. Let me let y'all see her cart too. Let me get over there and bus stop you. Cora, bring your cart. Now, hold on. Yeah. Trying to record is something, you guys. Yeah, y'all see her card. All right, I got it. Started Well, he cleaned it out, but my car needs to be cleaned, and we might go to the car wash. Look at Luck's picture. Joseph's gonna be so happy that I got his dog a picture. All right, y'all. We are headed to Walmart now. As soon as I turn this on. In here for the 2 shells Walmart, y'all. All right, y'all, I do need towels, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab these because I never got any for myself. I gave them to the kids, so these are for me this time. I gotta put me first, Lucius. Do I want this color or this color? Which color would y'all get? Since I'm a lady, I'm gonna go and grab some pinkish ones too. Okay, y'all, so they don't have the one I came for, so let me just take a look and see what else they have. All right, y'all, they didn't have what I came for, but I did substitute. And yeah, I love it. Ooh, you know where else I want to go to? I want to go to the electronics department and see if they got them sound bars on sale still. All right, y'all, so my husband asked for motor oil. He reminded me to get it because I forgot. So shout out to Real Life Repairing. Okay, y'all, another thing I do have to get is some gumbo. Because we're supposed to be having gumbo tonight, and I want it bad. Okay, you guys, my daughter is asking me about a drill as if her father is not in the car and as if her husband is not a man. But she's asking me about a drill. No. And the kind of dog he wants ain't gonna be. That's what I was about to say. No way. No, I am in here. That's breaking my heart. Okay, y'all, so this is the look I was going for. However, I didn't like the curtains, so I decided to take the two red curtains in the middle down. Yeah, y'all gonna see in a little bit how I revamped those curtains. But this is the stuff we got from out shopping at Dee Dee's today. Where else did we go today? Dee Dee's, Walmart, couple other places. And these are just things that I picked up. That paint, you'll understand why I got that paint shortly. The curtains, those are the curtains I told you I switched out. And you'll see why I switched them out. And those are the beautiful paintings that my son, not paintings, the beautiful artwork that my son created on his own. He went out today and got picture frames, and we got certain pictures printed, because why go out and buy pictures when you live with the artist himself? So yeah, we're framing those to go in their hallway up on the third floor where all the boys live. My baby that's in heaven has a room up there, and my other two boys, 14 and 20-year-old. So this is where we're going to put those paintings. And when I do their room tour and their floor tour, I will definitely show you guys these pictures. So I am in absolute love with my son's artwork. When I say in love, definitely is an understatement. He is so creative. If you need some artwork, let him know. Okay, now y'all see what I did with the curtains. The long red sheer went in between. They go from all the way down to the floor. The other ones that you saw did not hit the floor. And I'm just now noticing that the right side is a little bit above the baseboard when it shouldn't be. But okay, who cares about that? That is the entertainment area that we did get together. I still have to buy little trinkets and stuff to put in that area, but my husband listens to music in the house. He had to have his speakers. He's from the old school, so I had to kind of, mix in what he likes with what I like, but we be having a big old fight in regards to it because I'm not old school and I just can't do it. But I had to go on and get a man 5 minutes of fame. So that's why y'all see his speakers. That's my mama and my baby pictures. Ooh, I love the way the little planters came out right there. Yeah, so, oh my goodness. It feels more like home now that I've built that shelf. Well, I didn't build it. Y'all saw my husband and my son did the building of the shelves, putting them together, not building. Let me not make y'all think, oh, they built those? No, putting them together. Okay, and then I'm just keeping that curtain area over there with my baby's 3 pictures. Let me zoom this in for y'all. Look at my handsome, handsome baby. He is up in heaven, but he's right here with us. He's sitting on the couch. But anyway, yeah, I wanted to leave that side black. I didn't want to put another red one in between. I may get one more black panel to go in between, though. But anyway, yeah, this is the little cozy look that I was going for in this area. And I'm just showing y'all a little bit more from different angles. And yeah, if you get it, you get it. And that's my baby is watching that on TV. But we had to mute it so that I can record. But I ended up doing a voiceover. So yeah, the TV is muted right now. But yeah, I just want to give y'all a little tour of what we got going on over here. Trying to make the new place comfy and not doing too much at the same time. Right here, my son just created this beautiful piece of artwork on the wall. I was literally about to pay $89 for a picture from at home similar to this. He has created the look that I wanted. Splitter, splatter, splitter, splatter. And if you look close, you can see different little things in the picture that he did not intend on making. But yeah, like right now, I'm looking at it from this angle. I even see like a bear werewolf with his mouth wide open. It's a trip. It's no different than if you have patterns in your floor and you be looking. But yeah, I'm an absolute love. Had my son put artwork all over this 3-story home. That's how my husband did the rug. I absolutely love it. It's catty corner. It makes it look bigger in here. It makes the rug look big enough for the entire area. this is what we got going on, y'all. And I would not have it any other way. Yeah, so at 51 years old, I just started really liking to only buy things for the house. I spent my entire life buying clothes, Jordans, cheerleading uniforms, everything that you can think about. And now, baby, it's my turn. And I only want to decorate my house. So, yeah, I'm finished with the living room. And, yeah, moving right on over. I had to show y'all this one more again because I am in absolute love with this. And that's my 20-year-old who did the painting. Yeah, and this one, he can't get the dog to leave because he not going to be sitting on my carpet and all of that. That's, I just don't do that. But anyway, he gonna have to, when he come down here, he gonna have to act like he have some sense and get somewhere and sit on his own, I was gonna say information, his own palette or whatnot.